Which of the following items is acceptable to wear while handling food? A. A plain band ring. B. A bracelet. C. A watch. D. Earrings. Answer A. A plain band ring. What is the correct way to carry a knife in a restaurant? A. By the handle, pointing down. B. By the blade. C. Pointing up. D. Horizontally in front of you. Answer A. By the handle, pointing down. Why is it important to calibrate thermometers used in food service? A. To ensure accuracy in temperature readings. B. To comply with decoration standards. C. To make them easier to read. D. To extend their battery life. Answer A. To ensure accuracy in temperature readings. Before using a 3-compartment sink, what is the first thing that must be done? A. Clean and sanitize each sink and drain board. B. Fill the sinks with water. C. Check the temperature of the water. D. Gather cleaning materials. Answer A. Clean and sanitize each sink and drain board. What is the correct order of operations in a 3-compartment sink? A. Wash, rinse, sanitize. B. Rinse, wash, sanitize. C. Sanitize, wash, rinse. D. Wash, sanitize, rinse. Answer A. Wash, rinse, sanitize. What is the correct temperature at which a thermometer should be calibrated using the ice point method? A. 32 degrees Fahrenheit 0 degrees Celsius. B. 45 degrees Fahrenheit 7 degrees Celsius. C. 212 degrees Fahrenheit 100 degrees Celsius. D. 0 degrees Fahrenheit minus 18 degrees Celsius. Answer A. 32 degrees Fahrenheit 0 degrees Celsius. How should you serve beverages to ensure hygiene? A. By holding the middle of the glass. B. By gripping the top rim. C. By the base of the glass. D. By the handle, if available. Answer A. By holding the middle of the glass. Why should food handlers avoid wearing nail polish at work? A. It can chip and contaminate food. B. It is not visible to the customers. C. It is allowed if gloves are worn. D. It enhances personal hygiene. Answer A. It can chip and contaminate food. What personal hygiene practice is recommended before starting a work shift in a food service? A. Applying perfume. B. Taking a shower or bath. C. Wearing decorative makeup. D. Styling hair with gel. Answer B. Taking a shower or bath. When is it appropriate to use bare hands to touch ready-to-eat food? A. When the food will be cooked above 145 degrees Fahrenheit. B. Never. C. If the food is pre-packaged. D. When the food handler has washed hands. Answer B. Never. What is the first step in calibrating a thermometer using the ice point method? A. Fill a large container with ice and tap water. Mix well. B. Put the thermometer in boiling water. C. Adjust the thermometer to read 32 degrees Fahrenheit 0 degrees Celsius. D. Check the battery of the thermometer. Answer A. Fill a large container with ice and tap water. Mix well. What temperature should the washing water be in the first sink? A. At least 110 degrees Fahrenheit. B. Room temperature. C. Cold as tap can provide. D. As hot as the hand can tolerate. Answer A. At least 110 degrees Fahrenheit. What type of cleaner should be used in the first compartment of a 3-compartment sink? A. A detergent. B. A sanitizer. C. An acid cleaner. D. Plain hot water. Answer A. A detergent. How long should the thermometer stem or probe be placed in the ice water during calibration? A. Until the reading stays steady, usually about 30 seconds. B. For 5 seconds. C. For 1 minute. D. For 10 minutes. Answer A. Until the reading stays steady, usually about 30 seconds. Coffee cups should be handled by the A. Handle. B. Rim. C. Inside. D. Top. Answer A. Handle. Food handlers should keep their fingernails A. Long and well manicured. B. Short and clean. C. Painted with clear polish. D. Decorated with nail art. Answer B. Short and clean. Which of the following is a correct practice for food handlers regarding their attire? A. Wear loose clothing. B. Change into clean clothes before work. C. Use strong fragrances. D. Wear sleeveless shirts. Answer B. Change into clean clothes before work. Ice should be handled using A. A scoop. B. A glass. C. Your hands. D. A pitcher. Answer A. A scoop. When calibrating a thermometer using the ice point method, what should be the final reading of the thermometer? A. 32 degrees Fahrenheit 0 degrees Celsius. B. 45 degrees Fahrenheit 7 degrees Celsius. C. 100 degrees Fahrenheit 38 degrees Celsius. D. 212 degrees Fahrenheit 100 degrees Celsius. Answer A. 32 degrees Fahrenheit 0 degrees Celsius. The third step of the 5 steps for cleaning and sanitizing is to A. Rinse the item. B. Scrape the item. C. Wash the item. D. Air dry the item. Answer A. Rinse the item. Water in the sink used for washing should be replaced when A. It becomes dirty. B. It feels too hot. C. The water level doesn't reach the top of the sink. D. It is diluted with bleach. Answer A. It becomes dirty. Which tool is typically used to adjust the calibration nut on a dial thermometer? A. A wrench. B. A screwdriver. C. Pliers. D. A hammer. Answer A. A wrench. The proper way to handle a plate when serving food is to A. Hold it by the bottom. B. Stack it on top of another plate of food. C. Place your thumb on the rim. D. Balance it on your arm. Answer A. Hold it by the bottom. Wearing false fingernails while handling food is A. Permitted if covered by gloves. B. Advised against under all circumstances. C. Allowed for non-cooking staff. D. Only permitted for managers. Answer B. Advised against under all circumstances. Which accessory should be avoided in the kitchen to prevent food contamination? A. Hairnets. B. Disposable gloves. C. Watches. D. Non-slip shoes. Answer C. Watches.